Well, the job at hand today is putting that tree on the ground. We got storms rolling in, so the goal is to put it on the ground and then just get it off the, make sure it's off the road, and then we'll deal with it another day. Get this done as quick as we can. You guys are a little far away, but did you see that? You probably got a better view than me running away. That thing just exploded when it hit the ground. And that's why we did it. You saw those branches I drug out of the way at the beginning? It just drops those everywhere, damages the fence, gets in the driveway. Look at this. Look at that. See that? Just rotten. It's pretty good. I'll cut that stump down real low, get this guy out of the road, and we'll be on our way. Gotta go pick my cones up. I put some in the road down here because I didn't want anybody coming up here right when it was getting ready to fall. First time I've used my brand new cones. All right, off to the next job. We're gonna come back when the weather's a little nicer and burn this thing. God, that thing just exploded. Look at that mess. All right, guys, so before anybody gets too excited, I am always so honest on this channel that I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't know how to do tree work. There's some common sense. You look at that tree, all the bones were broke off the backside of it. It was going one way and one way only. Now, of course, if there's a gust of wind, if you cut it just flat backwards, it might go to the fence, but it was going away from the fence, so it was really easy to decide how to cut it and where it was going. And I'm sure you'll see, and I didn't stick around to see, but I'm 100% sure it cut it left the way I wanted it to. And the reason I didn't stick around is because A, I don't really know what I'm doing too much, and B, you saw that thing break. I mean, there were pieces coming down, and I didn't want one of those branches staying behind and dropping straight down. So I'm just gonna hightail it out of there. I don't care, because the tree's down. It's safe. It's not gonna create any more issues for the couple that owns that property. I don't know if you guys, I mean, you guys can't see. Look at this little road. This is a long little road that leads back to this property, and if you get a tree like that comes down over the road, you're not getting out. You're just not getting out. And you can see it's raining. We got a storm coming in, so that's why. In fact, we texted back and forth last night a little bit, and questioning whether it was going to be a good day to come out and do this today. And you know, my response is, as long as it's not raining too hard, I'll work in the rain. And I explained to them that if the wind gets a little crazy, then I'm aborting, that I won't do it. The weather vane, I don't think you guys saw it, but the weather vane that was maybe 50 feet from that tree was just down. It wasn't doing anything. There's no wind, rain obviously, but it was the time to get it taken care of, and now it won't be an issue anymore. Anyway, we're off to the next job. I'm gonna get this little thing uploaded. This is just a quick little video just to keep you guys going that like to see trees get cut down. And we'll see you next time.